Oh my gosh. That's not a vacuum. That's the Clean and Gleam floor care system. Buster, what are you looking at?
And now look at mine. Yeah, this is different thing right here.
You do?
Yeah.
You got a reusable dusting pad, a reusable cleaning pad, and a reusable polishing pad? Are you going to clean the floors?
Yeah.
What is this part?
A foot vacuum.
Oh my gosh. That's not a vacuum. That's the Clean and Gleam floor care system. You're going to be able to clean the floor up.
Bill. Look.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. We want tea.
I guess you better put that together so you can get to cleaning work.
Right now?
Yeah.
I picked this up.
If you want to learn more and also have a much healthier and safer household for your family, just contact me. Remember, you are a parent, you are a leader, and your children are followers.